Want to set a temporary profile picture on Facebook but don't know how? In today's video, I'll show you how to easily set a temporary profile picture that will automatically switch back after a set of amount of time. So let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your device. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or name at the top. Tap on your profile picture to open the options. Select the option that says Choose Profile Picture. Choose a picture from a gallery or take a new one. After choosing a picture, you'll see an option that says Set as Temporary Profile Picture. Tap on it. Now choose how long you want the picture to stay up. You can select a specific amount of time like 1 hour, 1 day. Once you're happy with the selection, tap on the Use to set it as a temporary profile picture. And that's it. Now you know how to set a temporary profile picture on Facebook that will automatically change after a while. Thanks for watching One Step Solution. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you'll never miss our upcoming videos.